not much else we can do with this footprint.
Yeah.
No. Well, you have to, that's why you keep expanding and expanding and expanding. I mean, that's, you know, go to the train show and then they have layouts with the basement. But they can't, they're not satisfied with them either. It's just like any collecting. Collecting is part of insanity, you know.
Things because like Dad's saying, you always buy more and more cars, bigger, it's always changing the layout.
If you're collecting books or guns or whiskey, it doesn't matter. You never stop. I never really collected. Oh, I've got enough salt and pepper shakers. I think I'll quit now.